There once was a troop o' Irish dragoons come marching down through Fyvie, oh, and the captain's fan in love wi' a very bonny quine, and the name that she had was pretty Peggy, oh. There's mony a bonny lass in the Howark their less. There's mony a bonny lass in the Geary, oh. There's mony a bonny Jean in the town o' Aberdeen, but the floor o' them all bides in Fyvie, oh. Come down the stair, pretty Peggy, my dear. Come down the stair, pretty Peggy, oh. Come down the stair, came back a yellow hair. Tak a last farewell o' your daddy, oh. It's braw, a captain's lady for to be. It's braw to be a captain's lady, oh. It's braw to ride and rant and to follow the camp, and to ride when your captain he is ready, oh. But up cries the colonel, mount, boys, mount. Tarry, says our captain, oh tarry, oh. Tarry for a while, for another day or twa, till I see if this bonny lass will marry, oh. I never did intend a soldier's lady for to be. I never will marry a soldier, oh. I never did intend to gang to a foreign land. I never will marry a soldier, oh. It was the early morning when we missed a war. Oh, but your captain was sorry, oh. The drums they did beat o'er the bonny braes o' Gicht. The pipes played the lowlands of Fyvie, oh. Lang ere we cam to old Meldrum town, we had our captain to carry, oh. And lang ere we cam to bonny Aberdeen, we had our captain to bury, oh. Green grow the birks and bonny out inside, and low lie the lowlands of Fyvie, oh. Our captain's name was Ned, and he died for a maid. He died for the bonny lass of Fyvie, oh. There once was a troop o' Irish dragoons come marching down through Fyvie, oh. And the captain's fan in love wi' a very bonny quine, and the name that she had was pretty Peggy, oh.